Hello internet people, and today we have another different kind of a video, which is actually an unboxing video. And today we have the famous phone from Xiaomi, that is the Poco F1. This is not a review unit, this is the Armoured Edition with top of the line specs which Poco has to offer. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's see what we have got into the actual retail unit of the Armoured Edition Poco F1. Here we have the outer cover off, and we would like to see this is the seal for those of you who are wanting to buy one but don't know how it would look, because nowadays we see a lot of forgery going on with products being swapped with marbles and whatnot stuff. So as we can see, there is nothing special about the seal. There are no void marks that appear after taking it off. Let's open the case. And here it is all yellow. So the black part was just the box, the outer box. And going in, we have the documentation mini box, in which we have, the casing. It's a black colored one. Putting it aside, we move on to the pamphlet, which is available in the box. This is of course some kind of warranty. Yes, it is warranty information. And then we have the user guide. Nothing fancy. You have to learn how to use your device yourself. This won't tell you anything, except for how to insert the SIM, of course. And now we have here our main device. That comes out pretty easily. So here you can see this is the Armoured Edition with the so-called Kevlar back, which I don't think feels anything different than plastic. It feels pretty plasticky, but well, I love it. Anyway, love Poco. Hashtag love Poco. So let's keep it aside and see the other accessories. So here is the quick charge 3.0 adapter. Here we have the 18-watt quick charge 3 certified adapter. And we would like to tell you that this phone is certified by Qualcomm to have quick charge 4.0, but since Xiaomi is not including a quick charge 4.0 adapter inbuilt, because it is expensive of course, so they are not putting a hype about the quick charge 4.0 or 4 plus, but this is a quick charge 4 plus certified phone which has been confirmed by Qualcomm itself. And here we have the type C to USB cable for charging the device and data transfer. And here we have finally the little tool which will actually allow us to use this device as a phone, the SIM ejector pin. This is very important. Never ever lose this. So that's pretty much it. Now let's remove the coverings of this device. See, I'm not happy with it. It's not put on right. There's more space on this side, less space on this side. I'm just joking. I just want it to be a bit bitchy. I love this phone anyway. Hashtag love Poco. Yes, because we are not very big YouTubers, we really take heck lot of care of our devices, because we have purchased these and showing you this with as much care as possible, because we are going to use it of course, and this is not a review unit. And here with almost all the plastic coverings gone, and finally the camera covering here comes off. The dual camera is revealed, along with the fingerprint sensor and the Kevlar back, the Poco F1 from Xiaomi in India, the Kevlar back which we bought for around 28,000 rupees, along with the back case. Of course, we forgot to show you this back case. We really liked it, the way it looks. It's detachable and is quite sturdy. So here the device turned on really quick, and we would be giving you updates on this device really soon about how the gaming performance is. For now it's MIUI 9, but I guess we would be getting MIUI 10 update as soon as we finish the initialization, and we'll be giving you updates on that really quick. But stay tuned till then. Signing off.